friends, Namaste. This is Ritesh Shah from RS Yoga, and today we are going to learn some simple yet very effective hand strengthening exercises. If somebody is suffering from Parkinson's, that is tremors, or arthritis, or has had some injury in the past, or has hand pain in general, all this exercise will be very effective and wouldn't take more than 5 to 10 minutes of your daily routine time. Okay friends, so we'll begin with exercise number 1. That is finger movements. So you open your hands like this, okay, and we will close and open, okay, as fast as possible for 30 seconds. So something like this. Remember friends, when you close, try squeezing a little bit, and when you open, stretch it completely. Something like this. Do not do half movements. If 30 seconds is a little too much for you, you can start with 15 or 20 seconds and gradually move up to 30 seconds. And when 30 seconds gets comfortable for you, take it up to a minute. And we should do minimum of 3 sets of this. Only after 10 to 15 seconds of doing this, you immediately realize the activation of the hands from finger to all the way till the shoulder. Now we'll go to exercise number 2. That is wrist movements. So how it goes is, tighten your wrist and take it near your chest, and now we will turn the wrist outwards and we'll open up the hand. And again outwards, turn the wrist outwards, open up the hands. Along with that friends, if you notice, I'm also opening my elbows to straighten up my hands. Open hands, open hands, till I reach my maximum. And now I'll be coming back, so I will again tighten the wrist and turn it inwards. Okay friends, this is one round. We have to do a minimum of 10 rounds, that is one set, and we have to do 3 sets, and slowly and gradually we can progress. Few things to remember in this is, always keep your wrist very tight as possible, and when you are rotating it, rotate it with maximum tension that you can use in this while it's closed. When you open, okay, again stretch each finger as if somebody is pulling each finger. So your movements would be creating a lot of tension. Tight fist, rotate, open, close, open, close, open, close, open, close, open. And same way inwards. Now I'm coming inside, back to here, so I will do inward movements. Close, open, close, open, close, open, close, open, close. Okay friends, now from here we'll go to exercise number 3. Right? For this, place the outer portion, so our wrist, above your stomach, on the sides and below your chest, so somewhere in between, right? And from here we have to take both the elbows towards each other, something like this. Once you reach your max, come back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just after doing 4 or 5, you will start feeling a lot of tension here. Do not go too much beyond your capacity, as this is a very sensitive region of our hands. Okay, so slow and steady, go for its development, right? Anyways, when you come ahead, it will create a lot of tension because it is very delicate and sensitive, and this is exercises basically for strengthening our wrist. Again, we do 10 of these. Okay, that would be 1 set and 3 sets. So again, I'll show the movements. You place the hands. If you want, I will show it from the sides. One hand will be placed something like this, and the elbows would come. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Alright friends, I hope it's clear. From here, exercise number 4. For this exercise friends, we are going to use a prop which is called a TheraBand. This is a TheraBand. TheraBand is available in any medical or sports shop very easily. It ranges from 150 to around 350 rupees approximately. We use a Aeravet TheraBand which is very good in quality. So exercise of TheraBand goes this way. You hold it. In the beginning, if you are using it for the first time, keep a good amount of distance because it makes the movement very easy. Hold from a distance equal from both sides and inhaling stretch, exhaling back. Okay, you should be holding the TheraBand on your shoulder level. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. One very important thing friends, remember, when you stretch it and when you come back, never come like this with a jerk. This will easily cause some cramp or some pain. Alright? Always take your time to come back very slowly. Now, if this is very easy for you, you can bring your hands closer and the intensity of the band will go high. See. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Alright? So this is the way you can progress. As with regular practice, it will keep getting easy for you. You can keep taking your hands closer on the band. You can also double the intensity by making the band into half and then going like this. You see. But friends, trust me, take your time to go to this. On the first day, don't jump onto this because muscles will need some time for recovery from these exercises. Alright. Again, for beginning, we'll do one set of 10 and 3 such sets, and then slowly and gradually you can progress with your sets and the number of counts you're doing in each set, and also bring your hand closer so that intensity goes higher. Fifth and the last. In this again, keep little bit distance, stretch the band and take it above your head, little bit behind. Alright. From here, friends, we bend to the right, we come back up, we bend to the left. This is one round. Again, bend to your right and bend to your left. My hands, my head, all three are, it's like a V shape, alright, and only the movement is from my spine. The movement is not like this. Sometimes we tend to go like this. There is no hand movement. It is in this space we are moving from our waistline. So do not make that mistake, friends. Right? Again, 10 rounds, 1 set, such 3 sets, and slowly and gradually you can progress. Now friends, these are 5 simple exercises for anybody who wants hand strengthening or is suffering from tremors, Parkinson's or arthritis, or has hand pain. Just in few days of doing these exercises, you will feel a difference in your current situation, and you will feel a lot of strengthening of your hands. If you have any questions regarding the exercise that we've done, or any other symptoms or anything, you can comment below or ask on any of RS Yoga social media accounts, and we'll be happy to answer you. If you liked the video, please press the like button and also share and subscribe, and do not forget to hit the bell icon so you can get our latest updates. It was a pleasure teaching you all. Thank you so much. Ritesh Shah, RS Yoga.